Hello beautiful people, and welcome to LIPBALMKIXXX TV. So today we are reviewing WIGNEE's hair. They sent over a 13x4 HD lace. With the package came bobby pins, a wig cap, a brush, which I found very clutch. I could always use me a brush. I didn't understand the packaging, but hey, it doesn't have anything to do with the wig. So don't worry about my cap and my braids, don't even do that. So we gonna cut the nape and get into the wig. It's like I said, 13x4 HD lace front wig. It's a bob. It's 150% density. It's 12 inches, and it is Brazilian human hair. So yeah. As far as my opinion of the wig, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give the wig like a 6 or a 7. I did not pluck it and I did not bleach it, but it needed it. It needed to be plucked and the knots needed to be bleached. Y'all always know I like beginner friendly, so I'm gonna put it on as a normal person would, who's not really skilled when it comes to bleaching and plucking and all that. I'm gonna just put it on out the box and finesse it as best as I can, because that's what the normal person's gonna do. No one's running around here spending hours trying to make a wig look natural. So that's why, can I do that? Yes, but I want it to be beginner friendly. So if I'm rating it beginner friendly, I'd give it like a 7, because I feel like they could have plucked it a little bit. I feel like they could have bleached the knots, but overall the wig was super cute. I love the layers, no smell, no shedding. I tried to curl it a little bit. I don't know, it's already kind of curled, so I didn't really get into the whole curling situation. I tried to do one little strip. It didn't take very well to me, but overall the hair is really cute. I really like it. You can take it and throw it on out the box, but it could use a little work. There you can see I tried to put a little heat to it. It took, but yeah. Everything will be in the description box below. I got a discount code for y'all. I got links. I got all that. If you have any questions or want to update, let me know in the comment section and I will take care of that for y'all. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all enjoy this video. Excuse me, I got hiccups. If y'all have any other questions, just let me know. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. And make sure you guys hit that subscribe button before you leave. Thank you. Bye.